When iTunes has an error and cannot work normally, you have to find other ways to factory reset iPhone without iTunes. Here are 4 simple methods to restore iPhone to factory settings without iTunes, even if your phone is locked or disabled. Method 1. How to factory reset iPhone without iTunes by eraser. Without using iTunes, there are other programs that can do the same thing to factory reset your iPhone. Mobikin Eraser for iOS is one of the best tools. That comes with a user-intuitive interface for users to reset their iPhones easily. How to reset iPhone without iTunes using Eraser for iOS. Download and install Eraser for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone via USB. Choose a security level low, medium, high, and click OK. Confirm the erasure by typing delete in the box. Click Erase to start wiping your iPhone data. Method 2. How to reset iPhone without iTunes from settings. Step 1. Go to iPhone Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. Step 2. Enter your password to confirm it. Step 3. Tap on Erase iPhone from the pop-up window. Method 3. How to factory reset iPhone without iTunes via iCloud. 1. Go to www.icloud.com on your iPad and sign in with your Apple ID. 2. Click the Find My iPhone on iCloud. 3. Find and click on all devices on the screen. 4. Choose the iPhone that you need to reset and tap on Erase iPhone. Method 4. How to reset disabled or locked iPhone without iTunes. If your iPhone is locked, frozen, crashed, or disabled, and you would like to reset the iPhone without iTunes, then we'd like to recommend you a powerful iOS system recovery tool to help you fix iOS system issues and reset your iPhone. Bonus: backup data before resetting iPhone. It is necessary for us to back up the important data on the iPhone to prevent data loss. Here, what we would like to recommend to you is Mobikin Assistant for iOS, which is a one-stop management tool specially developed for iOS devices.